For drivers familiar with how the auto insurance process works in the country, the entire process of filing a claim is relatively simple. However, vehicle owners who don't know much about automobile insurance only know they have coverage if the worst happens. Many insurer parties are aware that every insurer extensively investigates the authenticity of every accident claim filed before issuing a payout. How do insurance companies even go about investigating an accident claim? Why is the investigation process important? Keep watching to find out. Hi, and thanks for joining us. My name is Stella, the Fincrew brand ambassador, and I'll be your host on today's episode from the Insurance360 video series by Fincrew. Here, you will learn everything that happened behind the curtains when you file a claim for payout after an accident. The Insurance360 video series is your ultimate guide to finding out all you need to handle your auto insurance with ease. So make sure you take a quick moment to subscribe and enable notification so you get a ping when we release more helpful clips. An investigation into the authenticity of your claim begins from the moment you file your claims. As you probably know, in addition to filing a police report, you have to notify your insurer of the event. At its core, this investigation is carried out for two reasons. One reason is that your insurance company wants to ascertain that the accident did, in fact, take place as you described, and you are not trying to wittingly or unwittingly defraud them. Another reason insurers truly investigate your accident claim is to ensure that they absolutely have to issue you a payout. Many insurance companies are out solely to make a profit and wouldn't hesitate to deny vehicle owner a payout if they can. As soon as you file that claim, you can expect to hear from a representative of your insurer. These individuals are referred to as adjuster, and they officially kick off your insurance investigation process. The adjuster may request items like an original copy of your police report, photographic evidence of the damage from the auto crash of incident, physically inspect the vehicle, a copy of your medical bill. You would also be legally required to state all your losses so every party knows what damage you are claiming. After consulting with you, the adjuster would also reach out to every other party involved in the accident, witnesses and passerby included. This is to ensure that they corroborate your account of the events. They will also visit the scene of the accident to better inform their decision. Upon completion of this routine and other necessary activities, the adjuster will now decide on the fault and what payment, if any, is appropriate. This process can take a while, during which you may decide you want to start repairing your vehicle. You have the option of taking the car to your insurer body shop or any other repairer you wish. However, if you use any body shop outside the one your insurer designs, there may be conflict over the cost of repairs. And there you have it. Enjoy watching this video? Then you will want to miss any of the future episodes from this Insurance360 video series. Subscribe and turn on your notification setting so you stay fully in the loops.